Hello and welcome back to OpenSolar. In this short video, I'll be showing you some tools that can help you sell remotely. I'm looking at this article here today in our Help Center, and this can be found within our remote selling package and then under the heading Digital Marketing and Essential Technology Tools. This article covers a few different types of software that you can use to get in touch with your customers easily online. And you can utilize meeting scheduler tools to screen share and show them their quote. So for example, we've designed our solar system here and we've sent it out to the customer. You can see within the CRM in that project zone that they've viewed this quote, and you just want to get in touch with them to show them and point out a few different things on this quote and explain it in a little bit more detail. What you can do is check out this article and you'll see that there are a few options you can use to organize video calls. So your first option we have here is via Zoom, which is quite a popular meeting service that you can use online. So Zoom you can download for free, but you can have unlimited one-to-one meetings here with your customers. So that's pretty straightforward to set up, and you can come straight through to schedule a meeting here. You can go through, title the meeting, solar discussion, can give it a description there, set the date easily, you can change the time of course, and a few other features here. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm just taking most of the default settings. If I just click save here, you can see that meeting is now scheduled, and I can link this now to my Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Yahoo. So depending on what type of calendar you use for your business, I'm using Google at the moment, so I can click add to Google Calendar. So this now takes the Zoom meeting time and puts that into my calendar, and I can simply just invite the customer here by putting in their email address within this guest area. And then they will be given the Zoom meeting link to join, as well as the time that's automatically set there for you as well. So you can go right ahead once you put their email in and just click save there. So that's for using Zoom, and that's pretty straightforward. Otherwise, you have the option here to use Google Hangouts Meet. So when you're looking at your calendar like this, you can simply just click anywhere where you have a free space. So for example, if I want to organize a meeting for this time, we can call it Solar Chat. You can put in your customer's email address there, and then you can click simply add to Google Meets, and then they'll be given this link when you send it off there. You can put in a description if you like, and then you can just hit save, and then that will be sent through to that customer and add to their calendar as well. You also have the option to use Microsoft Teams here, which is another kind of service to do live video chats in as well. So check out that if you just type in Google Microsoft Teams. This is better when you want to link it to, if you have Outlook 365, you can get that for free as well. So you can click on sign up for free, and it pretty much works in the same way where you'd just have a one-to-one kind of live video chat, and you can screen share with them as well like that. And that way you can just run them through all the parts of your quote here. Yep, so that pretty much covers the screen sharing and meeting room tools, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, and Zoom. And then in terms of the meeting schedulers, you have two great options that are free as well. So for example, CloudHQ, you can just go on the website like this. You can click sign up now, and this works really well to schedule in your meetings too. So if you go to Gmail productivity tools, show more, you can incorporate this meeting scheduler for Gmail. And if you go in there and press add to Chrome, check out this video and it kind of explains how it all works. But they will then be able to, you'll be able to incorporate a link that you can put in actually to your quote, so it will look like this: schedule meeting. And so the customer can then click on this, and then they'll be automatically directed to your CloudHQ where they can book in a time for your calendar that's linked to your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar or so on. And that way you can automatically schedule in a video conference and do the live screen sharing like that. So that's a quick and easy way to do it as well. And then finally you have Calendly, which kind of operates in the same way as well. So if you go onto the Calendly website, you can see here, it's another meeting scheduler tool, and you can see it's completely free to use like this. So if you just click on sign up, it will guide you through the process, and you can link that once again, to your Google or Outlook or whatever type of calendar you're using. And this is a kind of a scheduler tool where your customer can once again click on this schedule meeting button, and they'll be redirected to your calendar to book in a time, and then that will automatically organize a video conference call to have with that customer. Great, so hopefully that was helpful for you. So check out this article in our help center here, and that kind of breaks down some of the features of each of them, and then just go ahead on Google and type in some of these headings here, and you'll find out more about those different apps as well that you can use. One last thing that I would just mention there, guys, is to also check out this article. It's also within this remote selling package, and it's called How to Set Up the Meeting Scheduling Tool. And this kind of explains the process of linking that CloudHQ or that Calendly account to your OpenSolar profile. It's really straightforward. It's just within your team member section, and you just have to include the personal meeting URL that you'll be given via CloudHQ or Calendly into that team member section. So check out this article as well for how to set that up. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great day.